Hi, fools. One of the biggest storylines of this week in tech was Apple falling below $400 a share. The company now finds itself 45% below its 52-week highs last September. It also this week, in falling, relinquished its title of the world's largest publicly traded company. So now that the company has fallen so far, I think it begs to ask, could this slide continue? Is it conceivable that Apple could reach $300 a share this year? And as people who've seen my videos before are probably not going to be surprised, I don't think so. I think we've seen a huge wave of bearishness driving this stock down that really overlooks what you could even call the bleakest reality concerning this company. Let's take their upcoming earnings due out next Tuesday as an example of this. The company is expected to actually grow its revenue by 9%. However, the company now at its current pricing is priced for significant negative growth. People are expecting Apple to lose market share and see gross margin contract in its key product lines, neither of which is extremely likely, especially on the gross margin front, especially in a very meaningful way immediately. So again, another way to put this in context would be looking at other companies that trade in the tech space. Let's take a peek at Intel. The company reported earnings this week as well, but they saw revenue fall slightly when they reported. However, the market is also willing to assign Intel a significantly higher trading multiple than Apple, especially when you strip out their two respective cash hoards. It just goes to show to me that the market really is misunderstanding what Apple's future prospects could be. Apple, of course, isn't likely to see the significant 50% plus year-over-year growth that it did earlier, several years ago. But at the same time, Apple's business is certainly thriving, by no means contracting. And when you look at the things coming down the road for Apple, things like a dividend increase, a low-cost iPhone, and additional new product launches, well, the stock could certainly, you can see a scenario where the stock should end up significantly higher than lower. So I think $300 is less likely than more likely, but we'll see. Thanks a lot, and Fool on.